Mobile swings in. Ready to go. Starters happy, green lights on and they're racing. Razor Winner began well. No, not as fast as Macca Kelly, and on the outside of it is Yaya's Hotspot. So as anticipated, they're going to dispute the early lead out wide. Stunning Grin was closing over from out deep, and so too in that firing line is Ronald George, and then Freedom Is. In behind those is Composed as they leave the straight. Further back in the field then as they go into the back section of the track is Clancy's Fob Watch, followed by the Dip, and out wide is the Art of Confusion. Well back is Marty Monkhauser, and our Smart Caesar will settle at the tail of the field. First quarter in 26 and 3 into the back straight, and Macca Kelly is the leader. Stunning Grin sits second, Park Without Cover, and Ronald George presses on out wide. It'll find the breeze. In behind those having a suck run at the moment is Razor Winner. Yaya's Hotspot lands 3 back in the running line, but working around it now is the Art of Confusion, followed by Composed. Freedom Is the Dip. Out wide Marty Monkhauser takes off. Clancy's Fob Watch seemed to get a check there, and just getting past it is our Smart Caesar. 28-1 for the second quarter. 54-4 for the half, and it's Macca Kelly the pilot, led the way by about a length. Second at the moment is the Art of Confusion. Under lock and key is Razor Winner. Taking off now is Stunning Grin out 3 horses wide. On the inside is Composed, in the centre Ronald George, and they were followed further out on the track there, making some ground by Marty Monkhauser. Yaya's Hotspots in a wall of traffic, and in behind those as they come for home now, and swing in as the Dip at the leader as they flatten in as Macca Kelly. There's plenty of room for Razor Winner to give chase. 27-9 for that next quarter. Down the outside trying to wind up from back in the field is Stunning Grin, followed then by Composed. The leader is Macca Kelly. Inch by inch Razor Winner is trying to cut back the margin. The leader still Macca Kelly. 100 left to go. Still a length clear on Razor Winner, who's going to have one last dip. In front close to home Macca Kelly, and Macca Kelly does it at both ends. Macca Kelly has beaten Razor Winner. Third home in the race goes Stunning Grin, and fourth you had our Smart Caesar and Yaya's Hotspot with Freedom Is deeper out. A break in the race then came the Dip with gap off to the Art of Confusion. In that group of horses, Composed, Ronald George, and Clancy's Fob Watch and Marty Monkhauser the last pair. 28-7, and they've clocked 1:51.1.